Hello everyone, and welcome back to Marin English Lab, the place where real-life stories help you learn real English. I'm Olivia, and as always, I'm so happy you're spending part of your day with us. Whether you're listening on your way to work, cleaning the house, or just taking a quiet walk, thank you for being here. You're doing something great for yourself today.
Hi everyone, this is Liam. And yes, thank you so much for joining us again. I don't know about you, Olivia, but I feel like these days, life is busy, noisy, and fast.
It really is. And that's why we love this space. Here, we slow things down, tell real stories, and practice English in a natural, relaxed way, just like real conversations between friends.
Exactly. No pressure. No perfect grammar. Just listening, understanding, and enjoying the language.
And before we start, a small reminder. If you enjoy learning English with us, please like this video, subscribe to Marin English Lab, and share it with someone who's also learning English. Your support really helps us keep going. So Liam, how are you feeling today?
Honestly? A little tired, but in a good way.
That sounds interesting. What happened?
Well, this week has been very busy at work. Meetings, deadlines, emails, you know how it is.
Oh yes. Work stress is something many of our listeners can relate to.
That's why today's episode is special. We're not just chatting, we're sharing everyday life stories and showing you how English is used naturally in real situations. At work, with family, with friends, and even at the supermarket.
Exactly. And as you listen, don't worry about understanding every word. Just relax. Let the language come to you.
Let me tell you about something that happened at my office this week. We had a big project, and the whole team was under pressure. Everyone was stressed, quiet, and honestly, a little tired of each other.
That already sounds very real.
There are two people I work closely with. One of them loves talking jokes, stories, random thoughts. The other is new, very focused, and prefers silence.
That can be a difficult combination.
Exactly. One morning, I noticed the new colleague looked uncomfortable. Not angry, just overwhelmed. So instead of saying something serious, I did something simple.
Let me guess, coffee?
Coffee and cookies. I walked in, smiled, and said, "Hey, let's take a short break."
And?
It worked. People relaxed. They laughed. After 10 minutes, the work felt lighter.
I love that. Sometimes, improving a situation doesn't require big words, just small kindness.
Exactly. And that's an important lesson for English learners too. You don't need perfect sentences. You just need confidence, kindness, and practice.
That reminds me of my weekend with my family.
Oh, I'm listening already.
My brother decided to cook dinner for everyone. He meant well, but cooking is not his strength.
That sounds dangerous.
He was distracted, on his phone, and forgot the food on the stove. The result? Pasta that looked more like soup.
Oh no.
And then he added sugar instead of salt.
Sweet pasta. That's unforgettable.
We laughed so much. In the end, we ordered pizza and shared stories. And that's the thing, sometimes the mistakes become the best memories.
Just like learning English.
Exactly. Mistakes aren't failures. They're part of the journey.
Speaking of journeys, my friend recently shared some big news.
Oh? Do tell.
She's getting married.
That's wonderful.
And the best part? They met in a supermarket.
That already sounds like a movie.
A bag of apples broke. Apples rolled everywhere. He helped her pick them up. They talked. They laughed. 1 year later, a wedding.
I love stories like that. Simple moments can change everything.
And English works the same way. One conversation. One sentence. One brave moment.
So what can our listeners learn from today's stories?
First, English is everywhere, at work, with family, while shopping.
Second, you don't need perfect grammar to connect with people.
Third, confidence grows through small daily practice.
Speak to yourself. Practice in front of the mirror. Describe your day in simple English.
And don't compare yourself to others. Everyone learns at their own pace.
Before we finish, we'd love to hear from you. Tell us in the comments. What is a small moment in your life that made you smile recently?
Or tell us. What are you learning English for? Work? Travel? Confidence?
Writing a short comment is great English practice.
Thank you so much for spending these moments with us.
Remember, learning English doesn't have to be stressful. It can be warm, human, and enjoyable.
This is Marin English Lab. See you in the next episode.